we have piglets. We didn't think they were due for a couple weeks. We were watching her closely for a couple weeks because she started filling up with milk pretty good. So we at least had the pen and stuff all ready to go. Yeah, last night when I fed, I was like, gosh, like, she ate, but she was kind of protective, just over her space, and her vagina was pretty swollen, but I was like, we got a couple more weeks. Surprise! Anyways, there's 6 out right now, 5 alive. One of them, the umbilical cord's wrapped around its neck, but also he's very underdeveloped, so you know, maybe that cord has been there for a while. It kind of prevented him from growing, but oh my goodness, they're so cute. All right, we have to get things set up for them, heat lamp and stuff like that, because Joey and I both have to work today. So I'm going to let her chill out. She had a baby about 5 minutes ago. So we'll let her do her thing and go get a little pen set up for the baby. She's such a good mama compared to the last time. Like, if you watched our last video of her farrowing this July, it's July 3rd. I don't remember when I got that video out, but she was a terror. Like, she didn't know what she was doing. She was scared. We had to put her up by a gate, or in between a gate. I had to pull most of the pigs out because they were stuck. It was just first time mom problems, I guess. But she's doing amazing right now. When she lays down, she knows to lay slow, so she's like, there's no babies under her and stuff, so she's doing good. I'm far less worried about her than I was the first time.
A heat lamp and an extension cord. Knife would be helpful in this situation. Yeah, it's very like high quality. I don't know what Joey bought this for, but it seems like a good time to break it up for the piggies so I don't find another one. Alright, another one just came out while I was doing that. Now there's 6 of them. They're all like a tan color except for that one. That one's so cute. Oh, adorable. We're up to 10 of them. I swear every time I look, there's another one out. She is doing so good though. Yes, you are, Petunia. She just delivered her first placenta. Yeah, right? 11. Number 12 is out. Hey, little cutie. There you go. You look like you got some meconium on you. Tricky. Two-time pig father, how are you feeling?
Yeah.
You did good, Peter. I didn't even have to help you this time.
I think we might have a week off on the service on.
I wasn't sure to have him like that.
A few days.
I wish you'd utilize the nice pen I made you. Huh?
Said I'm going to shower.
Okay.
push your piglet out or push your placenta out so that we know that you're done. Please. We gotta go to work. Oh, you're leaving. I am. Aren't you cute? Let's go somewhere safe. We're up to 13 piglets, I think. 14 if you count that first dead one. We really have to go to work though. There's a heat lamp on. The pig's kind of settled under it. We're gonna hope for the best. Why don't we have a camera down here? So why don't we have a camera down here?
I was thinking that she had them too soon. I had a week to buy a 300-foot Ford in.
But we didn't get it done. I think she'll be okay. She's being a good mama.
She's gonna have to be.
All right.
See what happens while we're gone.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. We'll do an update later today, I guess. Oh, look at him. He's the butter piggies. There's only one black one. Oh, the one that just came out is half black.
Great.
So cute. Okay, I was literally in the barn for an hour. What is this? There was no snow when I left. Ew.